This is Tano, our asymmetrically shaped table, a shape perfect for exciting combinations. It is suitable for flexible learning and working from primary school right through to the final year of secondary school, as well as for office use. Tano is available in 8 fixed heights, or can be stacked up to a height of 6 units. In both cases in 2 widths. There is a space under the tabletop for a grapnels box or the recharge module. A satchel hook can be fixed at the side. The grapnels box and satchel hook cannot be used in all table combinations. To make the table easier to move, Tano is optionally available with casters. It can also be stacked, although only when no insert is present. Tano is available in a range of materials. It also exists in a number of different colors. All in all, it is a versatile, multifunctional table for all room sizes.